What is good, guys and girls of YouTube? It is your boy Justin Omoe here, and today we got another beat kit. Finally, somebody sent their beat kit over. So yeah, if you remember homie Manny Keep with the gas station video I did back, I don't know how long, it's been a minute. He came through with another one, actually two of them, him and someone else, which I'll name right now. This kit was made my, I just gotta point that out, Maserati Sparks and Manny Keep. There we go. By the way, this is on Sounds if you want to go ahead and check that out. Sounds by Native Instruments as well. Wow, that's tight. So if you're into sounds, go ahead and check it out. They got them up here. And there's also another place, Pay Hip, but I don't know, it doesn't look so hip. It's the same two kits here though. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, links are in the description. And yeah. So let's go ahead and play and see and do. By the way, there's Mac OS X folders. I think it has the same things, but let me go look at these pictures. I think it's the same thing. Yeah, it is. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do something special. There we go. That's a spicy meatball. Now let's get into the video right here. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and sound some drums. Samples. Or let's hear a demo. That was it. I thought it would have been like a beat. So yeah, let's go ahead and play. And here we go. We got a Plethora, number 28. Oh wait, these are some loops. So 20 sounds in the kit. I like this hat. And I'll be using the Chanorak. I can't see shit with this light in my way. Alright, now I can see a little bit better. And I got my handy dandy fire. One of them right now. I'm not usually a 140 guy, but there we go. And filter. Yeah. So let's see. I like this one. You know how it be, that style. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna do this one instead of there. There you go. And then you know how to do. I'm gonna hold off on the perk for now. The percussion. Oh, here's some loops. I like this, but I'm not a loop person. That's just me though. Oh, this is a long loop, ain't it? I'm gonna have to take this and drag it into the playlist. It goes to 8 bars. And let me be a little cheese ball here with this, just drag it real quick, you know what I'm saying? Bear with me. Let me do 8th. And this. And then our little cheeky little end snare there. I like that feel. check that end one more time. There we go. There we go. Now, let me hear it without that loop. Still fire. Let's check out drum kit number 2. Let me drag this over here, cause okay, yeah, okay. So there's more to it. Matter of fact, this is what you hear in the sounds on the website when you play the preview. Again, I would have thought it would have been like a beat or something built up with the kit I use, similar to how the homie what's his name, Illmind does his. So you know, let's find I don't even know what it's called. Like, let's see, Claps on Fleek. Willy Wonka. I know this one got one. Yeah, see the beats. And these are made with the sounds in the kit. Yeah, let's go ahead and just close that off. This time we got 3 of the basses. C, D, and F. C, D, and F right there. I like the F. The F one sounds good. F in the chat. See about kicks. Kick, kick, kick. Oh my god, this one. Something about this kick right here gives me life in my blood. Boom, pop, boom. So this is a Congo clap. Yeah. Boop, boop. Let's see if I can do something. Ooh. Okay. I like that one. Let's change it down 1%. And then build on it. Oh, this one's a longer thing. It's 12 measures, which is weird. Wouldn't it have to be like 16? Bleeding. Yeah. Cool. So we good. So why when I click on the F, it plays a C? See, here's an F. So that's something gotta figure out there. Either way, it's still a bass that I like. Up there. Yeah, that's horrible. Unless no one wants that. And let me do this. How do I do this again? I want to create an accent, so shift accent. Accent mode is on. I want the volume to be like this. And then I just plunger them in. Yeah. Let's take off accent mode now. Hey. And I will be making this bigger or longer. And I have to copy and paste the hats because they're different velocities. And Control B. And then move right there. Boom. Yeah. This is hard. It works though. Well, we got G flat major on the loop, so I think that's it right there, right? No. Nice bass. I like the way it feels. Let me get my preset. What you tryna do, you little? Oh shit! What you tryna do, you little kitty? You are annoying. I've been on here I'm working, y'all are snoring. All right, okay, I'm really feeling the vibe. I like it. Hold on. I really like the feel that it makes, and yeah, if I were to give my opinion though, cause I gotta be real with y'all, awesome stuff. I just feel like there's not a lot of sounds to work with, but for $15 a piece, is it 15, right? Or if you got sounds, I think you get it for free. Don't what's the word? Don't take my words for literal, but on sounds, if you're subscribed, you should be able to get it for free. I don't know. Subscribe to preview all 28 sounds. So yeah, you could get the sounds if you like them. I guess you click the download. There you go, download sound. And you can use them. So yeah, if you're subscribed to sounds already, there you go. But yeah, if I were to give my opinion, I would say a lot more sounds could help out building more of a pack, you know, because with 20, just 1 to 20 here, I feel like there's just a limit to how far I could go, or how far I would want to go, you know, because how many more combinations can I make? I'm pretty sure you can make a lot, but I don't know, like different timbres of hats and stuff, like, yeah, it's within that same range. At least 20 kicks or 15 kicks would be better instead of like 4. But you know, I understand that would be, you know what I'm saying. But if you guys and girls are interested, because I got some nice loops that I did not even play here, I didn't want to spoil the whole thing for y'all. Go ahead and check out that link in the description. And yeah, with that being said, let me know what you guys and girls think, if you like it, and if you want to support your people, go ahead and check. It's your boy Justin Omoe. Peace, and have yourselves a damn good one. I'm out.